Why do 99% of scientists believe birds are living dinosaurs? Let's find out. 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid smashed into Earth, causing a catastrophic mass extinction. This cataclysmic event wiped out most dinosaurs, but it created opportunities for their feathered relatives. The survivors? Tiny, adaptable creatures with feathers. Our ancient bird ancestors. With the mighty dinosaurs gone, these early birds had fewer predators and a whole new world to explore. Over millions of years, they evolved, diversified, and spread to every corner of the globe. So, next time you see a bird, remember, you're looking at a direct descendant of those ancient, feathered survivors. Isn't nature fascinating? Hit that like button for more amazing science facts.